Sir,
Senator Cayetano, ano mangyayari po ngayon, sir? Kahit konti lang,
Ang
sir.
hearing, sir.
Ano pong mangyayari ngayon, sir? Good morning po.
First and foremost, tignan nyo ang konstitusyon, tignan nyo rules of the Senate. Illegal yung ginawa nila kahapon. Any way you look at it, the legitimate Senate President is standing before you. They can remove me anytime, may 13, walang problema, hindi kami kapit to po. The witnesses, the resource persons are already downstairs, ayaw papasukin. So pababa ngayon si Senator Pia, chairperson ng Blue Ribbon Committee para sunduin. Wala naman tayong naging problema since the 1987 Constitution pagdating sa mga witness. So simple lang sa lahat ng ating kababayan, let them testify.
Sir, hindi daw
Let
po
them
papasukin
testify.
yung resource person, sir.
Bakit nga hindi? Kayo ang nasa media. Martial law ba tayo ngayon? Bawal ba magkaroon ng guest? So kung hindi nila i-recognize ang Blue Ribbon Committee, bawal kami magkabisita dito. Ang may control ng Senate premises is the Senate President. That is in the rules. Hindi po ang USAA or kung sino man. If you look at, if I'm not mistaken, it's section, I'll get my rules. Can you pakiawag na yung rules pa nandun?
Sir, tutuloy pa rin naman daw nila yung Blue Ribbon.
Uy, dito. Ginagawa nila.
Teka lang.
We will have our staff. This is an extraordinary situation. If they're willing to...
Opo, okay na po yan, sir. Okay na po yan.
Start tayo,
Ay, sige.
The Senate shall elect in the manner provided, herein provided, a President, President pro tempore, Secretary, Sergeant of Arms. This officer shall take the oath. Okay. The officer shall be elected by the majority vote of all its members. Okay? So, Senate Secretary, OSAA, Sergeant at Arms, pro tempore, and President, kailangan 13 ang boto. 13 ang boto. May 13 boto ba kapon? Ano po ang sabi ng Section 10? The term of office of the President, at sa ngayon po ako yon, the President pro tempore, na sa ngayon si Senator Loren Legarda yon, the Secretary and the Sergeant of Arms shall begin upon their election and shall end when their successors shall have been elected. O, i-assume nyo na. Hindi ko sinasabing tama ha, mali yung ginawa nila kahapon. I-assume nyo na 100% tama yun. I-assume nyo. Did they elect my successor? O, kayo sumagot. Did they elect a Senate President?
Nasa background, sir.
O, so ano sabi Section 10? And when their successor shall be elected. They did not elect my successor, so I am still Senate President. So, tignan nyo ang powers ng Senate President. Kasama doon yung pag-manage ng premises ng Senado. So, kung sino man ang hindi susunod sa amin dito na papasukin is going against the rules of the Senate and the Constitution of the Philippines. Ganun lang kasimple yun.
Sir, nasaan na yung 18? Nasaan na po yung 18?
Pumapasok na sa baba pero pinipigilan.
So, anong gagawin po ninyo?
Sinusundo ni Senator Pia. Baka gusto mong sundan na.
Opo.
Nandun sila
As
ngayon.
we speak.
As we speak, nandun siya. Go to the lobby if you want to see.
Thank you, sir.
So ito,
Sir,
Sir, thank you.
Update namin kayo mamaya. Baka gusto nyo tignan yung 18 nandun sa baba.
Si,